new info we shouldn't keep bottled up.
Here we go.
It'll help us clean up our act.
Did you finally find a cleaning fluid that's safe for our septic tank?
Yep, and for the environment. Also, it doesn't come in a spray bottle, so no more plastics either.
That sounds promising.
Yep, it gets mailed in a cardboard sleeve with no plastic shipping material either. These work just like our laundry strips because they're concentrated. You just tear off one of the squares, throw it into an old empty bottle, and shake it up, and you have your new cleaner.
After it's been thoroughly washed out, of course.
Absolutely. Then you just add water, shake, and it's ready to go.
That's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Easy enough for a smaller child to be able to handle.
I suppose, but cleaning the kitchen is your job.
Well, see. Maya.
Lily?
That's my name. Don't wear it out. Saving the world one little sister at a time.